Begin by researching popular digital products that are currently trending in 2024. This could include items such as smart home devices, wearable technology, or virtual reality products. Look for online communities that focus on discussing and reviewing these digital products. This could include forums, social media groups, or websites dedicated to tech reviews. Join these online communities and introduce yourself as a beginner looking to learn more about trending digital products. Read through existing discussions and posts to get a sense of what products are currently popular and what features users are most excited about. Start engaging with other community members by asking questions, sharing your thoughts on products, and participating in discussions. Use the search function within the online community to find specific topics related to the digital products you're interested in. Pay attention to threads that discuss product reviews, comparisons between different brands, and tips for getting the most out of your digital products. Consider posting your own reviews or experiences with digital products to contribute to the community and help others make informed decisions. Take note of any influencers or experts within the community who regularly post valuable insights and information about trending digital products. Follow these influencers or experts to stay updated on the latest news and developments in the world of digital products. Consider joining social media groups or communities specifically dedicated to discussing the digital products you are interested in. Participate in live chats, webinars, or virtual events hosted by these online communities to deepen your knowledge and connect with other enthusiasts. Take advantage of any opportunities to attend in-person meetups or conferences where you can network with other members of the online community. Keep up with the latest trends and innovations in the digital product space by regularly checking in with the online communities you have joined. Share your own insights, tips, and recommendations with other beginners who are just starting to explore trending digital products in 2024. By actively participating in these online communities, you can build a network of like-minded individuals who share your passion for technology and innovation.